Today, we have a Mazda 3 Sp25 model, and we gonna replace the low beam headlight bulb of it. It is located just in front of windshield washer reservoir. Before removing the bulb, electric connector needs to be disconnected. Then the bulb is twisted anti-clockwise to just on 4 o'clock position, and after that bulb can be pulled out. The model of the bulb is H11 12 volts 55W for this Mazda 3. When the new bulb is installed, insert the bulb in 4 o'clock position, and bulb shall be twisted clockwise till 6 o'clock position. As a final step, electric connector shall be connected.